How you doing, guys? Happy January. So today we've got a 2008 Audi A4 8K in, and this customer has come in for front and rear exit warning lights for the doors and also puddle lights, and we've also gone for front and rear footwell lighting. So join me in the car and we'll show you what we've done. Right, so taking off all four of the door cards for the front and the rear of the vehicle, we have fitted the halogen exit warning light, which is at the back of the door, facing backwards for when the door is open. We've also fitted an LED puddle light, so when the door's open, obviously it does exactly what it says in the tin. It's to show you if there's a puddle there or something other than that. So what we've done is, when I open the door now, like so, the door module within the door tells that the door is open and will turn on this light here. Also at the bottom of the door here, you can see that we've got a nice white LED light. Now back in the day, before LEDs became popular, these were a boring yellow halogen light. They got hot and they weren't very bright, so now white LED is so much better. So we've also done that on the front doors as well. So we've got two exit warning lights on the right, two exit warning lights on the left, and also puddle lights on each of the doors, which is going to transform this vehicle. It's only a small mod, but it takes all day to do, and actually a massive transformation in terms of driving at night and functionality. Now, also Richard's had both the seats out of this vehicle today, and the reason why he's had both the seats out is because the customer wanted footwell lighting for the back, for the passenger footwell, and also for the front footwell. So we've got four white LED lights, all routed off and connected to the lighting circuit. So when the customer has set his lighting switch to auto or side lights or dipped, those lights will come on and stay on. And you can also adjust on the lighting circuit within the car, so even better. So 2008 Audi A4 8K coming to us today for all four doors to have exit warning lights, puddle lights and footwell lighting. If you've got a vehicle like this, then don't forget to get in contact with us and we can do this. Now Richard's going to turn the light off, camera's going to take a second to just expose itself, that's a bit stupid, just to adjust its settings, and then you'll be able to see the true transformation that Richard's done today. So Richard will turn it off. Now, as you can probably say, well, this car had no interior lighting apart from the dashboard lighting before, so wow, what a transformation in terms of the exit warning lights and the puddle lights. Great bit of kit and well worth the investment if you've got a car that's a little bit light lacking in that respect. So we can do interior lights. Now, if you're not bothered about the exit warning and the puddle lights, we can also do different coloured ambient lighting inside. You have to choose the colour you want. It's not multicoloured, but it's there so that you can do it. We've done it in a couple of our cars here, and when you're driving at night, just to have your door handles lit up or your door pockets lit up or even your footwells and other areas is really, really cool. So get in touch, we can do something similar. Anyway, don't forget to like, subscribe, tell your friends and family, follow us on social media, and thanks for watching.